In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update the Google Search app on your Android phone. So this app comes with your phone pre-installed typically, but I'll show you how you can go ahead and update it if you want to do that. So the first step is to open up the Google Play Store. Then we want to tap on the search bar at the top, and we want to type Google Search, and then tap on the result that pops up. Now the one that we're looking for is this one right here at the top that just says Google. And then if you have an update available for the Google Search app, it's going to say update there instead of open. All you would need to do is tap on the update button. That's going to go and download the update automatically for you. And then once it's downloaded everything, it's going to install it for you and everything like that. And then you'll have the latest version of the Google app. Now, if you don't want to go in manually every single time and update the app, then you can go back again. Then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Then you want to tap at this bottom where it says settings, and then you want to tap network preferences and then auto update apps. Then I would select over Wi-Fi only, meaning every time you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection, all your updates for your apps will get updated automatically for you. The other options I wouldn't select over any network that's going to use your data, and then the don't auto update. So select over Wi-Fi only and then tap on done, and then you're done, and then your apps will be automatically updated. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.